this bug so bad. Those birds ran towards the pigeons that were eating that food on the ground. And they kept on making that sound at them just so they can still it. Ugh. Those stingy giant things. Oh, cute. So, I don't know if you guys can see it. This pigeon right here has been pursuing that beautiful pigeon. How cute. Because I spotted him following her everywhere she went earlier. And now, while I'm recording, they randomly ran by with him still on a hot pursuit for her. How dang cute. He's pursuing her. How cute. I bet she loves the attention. Oh, there he goes again. Cute. Oh my gosh. I want birds. I've always wanted birds. Parakeets and a parrot. That would be so amazing. And what I love about them is that birds don't bug. If you get tired of them chirping, all you gotta do is put a blanket on their cage and they will think it's nighttime. Just like crickets. During the solar eclipse, you could start hearing the crickets because they think it's nighttime. Because they come out. And then when the solar eclipse ends, they probably think, what the heck? That was a short night. Oh, cute. Yep, here I am filming, and then I start chatting away about different things.